If you're looking for a way to make your crypto investments work harder for you, look no further than these AI crypto trading bots. With the potential to earn up to 2% return daily, these bots are the perfect way to automate your trading strategy and maximize your profits. In this video, we'll be introducing you to 5 of the best bots on the market in 2023. Trust us, you won't want to miss this. Before going further, it's important to know that this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest videos. Now, let's get started. In a previous video, we covered 5 AI-powered crypto trading bots that could generate up to a 2% daily return. Be sure to watch that video if you haven't already. Today, we'll showcase several additional bots that can enhance your trading journey. The very first AI crypto trading bot on this list to consider if you want to make smarter crypto investments is CryptoHero. CryptoHero is a multi-platform crypto bot powered by AI, created by experienced fund managers who have been involved with trading crypto and other markets for decades. One of the top features offered by the platform is its backtesting function, which allows you to test a trading strategy you're not 100% sure about. The backtesting function uses your trading strategy in different market conditions to improve your decisions. By using this feature, you can analyze how your strategy would have performed in the past and how it's currently performing in the market. This helps you make more informed decisions about your trades and minimize your risk. CryptoHero also offers access to hundreds of cryptocurrencies, which keeps expanding as it partners with more companies, and it is integrated with top crypto exchanges like Binance and Kraken. The platform allows you to set your parameters for trading, and once complete, the AI-optimized bots run simulations and provide information about the best opportunities on the market. It allows you to set entry and exit conditions, as well as different types of indicators to check trends and keep up to date. So, if you're looking for a platform that can help you make smarter crypto investments, CryptoHero is definitely worth considering. With its backtesting function and other top features, it can help you analyze the market and make informed trading decisions. Now let's move on to Krill, another top AI-powered crypto trading bot. Krill is a platform designed to help day traders streamline the management of their crypto trading. One of the best aspects of this platform is its automation software and user-friendly interface, which allows users to easily link pre-existing features into specialized bots using a drag-and-drop system. Krill's marketplace is another great feature that beginner traders will find particularly useful. This feature allows experienced traders and other individuals to share their strategies for a fee, which can be incredibly helpful for anyone lacking experience in crypto trading. The platform also offers a trading terminal, which allows users to set stop losses and multiple take profits, and a strategy editor where users can create an automated trading algorithm with a drag-and-drop interface. Krill's user-friendly interface and automation features make it a great option for anyone looking to streamline their crypto trading. If you're looking to set up a successful trading bot, be sure to hit the like button and share this video if you haven't already, because the next bot we'll discuss could be the solution you've been seeking. And by the way, we have recently launched our Twitter page, so follow us there as we will update all the new happenings on Twitter first. Link is in the description. So, the next AI crypto trading bot on this list is going to be HaasOnline. HaasOnline is a trading bot platform that offers a range of features to help traders automate their trading strategies. One of its key advantages is the platform's preset functions, which allow traders to quickly and easily set up a trading bot without needing to write any code themselves. In addition, HaasOnline offers real-time backtesting, allowing traders to test their strategies against historical data to see how they would have performed in the past. This can help traders identify any weaknesses in their strategy and make adjustments to improve its performance. Another unique feature of HaasOnline is its visual editor, which provides a user-friendly interface for traders to customize their trading strategies. With the visual editor, traders can easily drag and drop different trading indicators and set up complex trading rules without needing to write any code. Regarding fees, HaasOnline charges a monthly subscription fee with pricing starting at $25 per month for the beginner plan and going up to $200 per month for the advanced plan. Traders can also earn money through the HaasOnline affiliate program, which offers a commission of up to 20% for referring new users to the platform. Overall, HaasOnline's combination of preset functions, real-time backtesting, and user-friendly interface make it a powerful tool for traders looking to automate their trading strategies and earn more money from their trades. GunBot Shop is another popular trading bot that offers compatibility with multiple exchanges, such as Binance, Bitfinex, and Coinbase Pro, among others. Its user-friendly graphical interface makes it easy for traders to navigate and create their own custom strategies or use one of its 14 pre-coded trading strategies. GunBot Shop also offers a wide range of configuration options, allowing users to adjust parameters such as stop loss, trailing stop, and take profit orders. Additionally, the bot provides real-time market data and backtesting functionality, which helps traders make informed decisions about their trading strategies. One unique feature of GunBot Shop is its customizable trigger feature, which allows traders to create specific conditions that trigger buy or sell orders based on market trends. However, it's worth noting that GunBot Shop does come with a one-time fee for its software, which may be a drawback for some traders. But for those who are willing to invest in a high-quality trading bot, GunBot Shop is definitely worth considering. With its user-friendly interface and range of customizable trading strategies, it can help traders make more informed decisions and potentially increase their profits. And the last AI crypto trading bot on this list is going to be Kryll. Kryll is a cloud-based trading platform that offers an easy-to-use interface for both beginner and experienced traders. One of its unique features is that no coding skills are required to create and execute trading strategies. Kryll offers a range of preset rules that traders can use to automate their trades, including buying the dip, selling at a profit, and accumulating the daily top performer. One of the most notable features of Kryll is the ability to create preset rules based on market trends and news events. For example, traders can set rules to automatically buy or sell a specific cryptocurrency when a news event occurs, such as a major partnership announcement or regulatory decision. Another useful feature of Kryll is the ability to accumulate the daily top performer. Traders can set a rule to automatically buy the cryptocurrency with the highest percentage gain for the day, allowing them to capitalize on short-term market trends. Kryll is also very affordable, with plans starting at just $29 per month. This makes it an excellent choice for traders who want to automate their trading strategies without breaking the bank. Overall, Kryll is a powerful and user-friendly trading platform that offers a range of preset rules and automated trading strategies to help traders maximize their profits in the cryptocurrency market. That's it for today's video on the top AI crypto trading bots. We hope you found this information useful in your quest to maximize your profits. If you're interested in cryptocurrency, stay tuned to our channel for informative content. Join us on this journey and stay up to date on all things crypto. See you in the next video.